Hey, what's up YouTube? Off-Grid Knives, Sierra, Tactical Chef's Knife. Warm up. What's up? What's up, my people? Warm up cut. Nice, I like. 2. Rack them up, barkeep. Oh yeah. Good clean fun out here in the early morning. Hope you're all doing well these days. Hope you're doing better than those bottles. Hope you enjoyed that. Sup, my people. Alright, well. Yeah, I do plan to review this knife, of course. I just got this very recently. Decided to take it out, have a little fun. Bottle murder was the case that they gave me. Alright, I know I can do 4. Come on. Do you believe in me? Do you believe? Well, there you go. That was difficult because, well, we got some work back there. That was difficult because the length of the blade, not quite as long as many, machetes and things that I use. Chef's knife, tactical knife, hunting knife, you be the judge. And again, sorry for the background noise. Working class heroes over here. Nice stonewash, full tank construction. Love the color on that. All right, darker stonewash. Jimping here, flat, partial flat grind with a high bevel. And look how pointed. Look at the piercing ability, but it widens out a lot, right? Now that has some dicing and mincing capability for the kitchen, but it also has some other more combative uses, wound channels and such. Yeah, I'm glad I picked this up. I love off-grid knives. I have many of them. I've reviewed many of them. The knife came with this sheath. You see the eyelets, molded tactical sheath. There's the belt loop. It's pretty cool. So for the longest time, this was going for about $87, and then I saw the price drop to $67 on US Amazon, so I decided it was a good time to pick it up. All right, so I'll include a link below the video. You want to check the current price, but yeah, I paid $67 for this, and yeah, it's got G10 handle scales. It is a Swedish Sandvik steel, full tang. Yeah, that's a beauty. All right, if you want the weight and the other exact stats, that'll be on the listing below the video for you. But yeah, it's a sweet knife. I plan to use it maybe as like a camp kitchen, right? Camp kitchen knife. Not planning to get into any tactical situations, but of course, I mean, most of those are going to be unplanned, but this would do some damage. Come on, I mean, look at the piercing, slicing, bottle chopping ability. This thing's pretty awesome, but yeah, most people are just going to use this to cut up their summer sausage, or maybe whatever game they hunted, or whatever you bring out there, or just use it at the family barbecue. Hey, for sure. Well, alright, I hope you enjoyed seeing this quick overview of this knife. I'll include links to Off-Grid Knives, their website, and their current selection. I've reviewed many Off-Grid knives, definitely highly recommend them, so if you haven't gotten one, check them out. Maybe start off with a nice EDC and tactical folder, and then get into their fixed blades. But yeah, glad I picked this up, and I look forward to using it.